Eto, katulad itong ating girl next door. Saida. Parang natunaw na.
Hi, sir. Hi, families. I prepared a refreshing snack and a song by Beyonce.
Uy, Beyonce. Okay, 5, 6, 7, 8.
5, 6, 7, 8. You're everything I need and more. It's written all over your face. Baby, I can feel your yellow. I can feel your halo, halo. I can feel your halo, halo.
Tuloy.
Tuloy lang.
Tapos na ba?
Isa ba? Ganun ba talaga si Beyonce?
Papainit pa lang eh.
Ganun ba talaga si Beyonce?
Oh, pagka bagong gising. Halo-halo, oh. Ayos, oh.
Paborito ni Parang
Eto
Joe eh.
na. Oh.
Siding! Uy! Ay!
You have 5, 6, 7, 8?
Yes, hi, sir. I prepared a yummy merienda and a song by Bryan Adams.
Uy, Bryan Adams, ha?
Ayan na.
Okay, go.
Okay, paano?
5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, thinking about our young days. There was only you and me. We were young and wild and free. Burger, you're all that I want. When you're lying here in my arms, finding it hard to believe we're in heaven. Burger!
Para sila nga natuwa.
Saida!
Up!
Parang patabingi yung andar ah.
Uy, may clue mga kaibigan. Merong kalamansi dito, okay? Anong gagawin mo sa amin yan?
Hi, sir. Hi, families. I prepared something and a song by Alicia Keys.
Alicia.
Keys.
Kiss. Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. Some people want it all, but I don't want nothing at all. If it ain't you, baby, if I ain't got the baby. Some people want diamond rings, some just want everything, but everything means nothing if I ain't got the yeah.
Okay. Pare.
Ay. Kumain na
Sintesa
tayo.
mo na.
Eto.
Mainit.
Pa. Mainit. Si Saida.
Si 5, 6, 7, 8. Hello, Saida.
Hi, sir. Hi, families. I prepared a yummy snack and a song by Christina Aguilera.
Okay. Yummy snack and a song.
Christina Aguilera. Okay.
5, 6, 7, 8. All I want is you. You know you make me crazy.
Teka.
Is that part of the song? The ahahaha?
Hindi. Ano lang, busy kasi. Ang daming lumalagari na po ngayon to sa mga piestahan na imbita na eh. Okay. Sige, take two.
All I want is you. You make me go crazy. All I want is you. Now, baby, don't be shy. You better cross the line. I'm gonna love you right. All I wanna do, mama over, baby. Mama over, baby.
Mamon.
다음만큼 가겠지 오늘 밤도 길겠지 분위기 타겠지 졸졸 따라올 테지 난 참 바쁜 girl I welcome you to my world